Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create a fence using Revit family. Open your Revit, then go to Families, then press New. Select Furniture System. After that, press Open. My model is on meter unit. Let's change the unit. Press UN. Then go to Length. Make it meter. And the rounding to decimal. Then press OK, then OK. After that, go to your front, then Insert, select Import CAD, select your Autocad file, change the import unit, make it meter, and the position, let's make it manual center, then press Open. Let's move it here, select your Autocad lines, then move, and move it right here. Then go to Create, Extrusion. Let's make a rectangle from this point to this point, and these also the same. Extrusion end, let's make it 0.075, then press enter. After that, press finish. Then let's make these two rectangle the same. Create, extrusion, rectangle, after that select them, copy from this point to this point, and also to this point, and the extrusion end is 0.05, then press finish. I want this one. Go to create, then revolve, pick line, this one and this one, then trim these two lines, then axis line from this point to this point, then press finish, and here it is. Let's make a copy from it, from this point to this point to this point. Let's make this one, create, extrusion, pick lines, and select one of these lines, then press tab to select multiple lines, and this one the same, this one the same, tab to select multiple lines, then press finish. Go to 3D, let's make it shaded or texture, anything that you want. To select these objects, select the first one, then press Ctrl, then select the second object, then go to left. Let's make copy, and here it is. To put a material for it, select the first object, then go to materials, then select this square. Then you can add material to anything that you want. Like let's add wood, or let's create a new material. Go to create a new material, right click, name it whatever you want. After that, go to replace assist, then select wood, let's select this one, then let's replace, then close it, then press OK, and it will drag right here. Then select the name, press Ctrl C, then select the rest of the objects, then Ctrl V, and you will paste your materials. This one the same, and this one let's make it another materials like steel. Let's name it metal, then replace assist, replace, then press OK, the same, Ctrl C, select, then Ctrl V, and this one the same, Ctrl V. Go to front, and let's delete our AutoCAD file, and here it is, our fence on as family.